Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to explain how to create a complete YouTube channel analytics dashboard in Excel using Claude AI and VBA. What if I told you you can create a dashboard using a raw messy data like this into a fully professional dashboard without manually creating any pivot tables or charts? And the best part is, we are using Claude AI to write the VBA code and generate this dashboard. So let's get right into the video. And before we go, if you are new to our channel, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Step 1 of building our dashboard using Claude is to have the data. So here in Excel, I have the raw data which contains the date, month, views, subscribers, watch hours, revenues, ages, gender, device, source, country, everything. And now based on this data, we are going to ask Claude to generate the VBA code. So the next step is to ask Claude to give the VBA code. So in order to get the accurate and professionalistic dashboard, we are using this prompt which you can find in the description or in the pin comment. So we'll just copy this prompt and go into Claude and paste it along with our Excel file also. Now we'll select Sonnet 5 medium and we'll click on enter. Now we'll wait for the Claude to give our VBA code. Now as you can see, Claude has given me the VBA code. So what I'll do is I'll just download this file. And now in Excel, you have to save this file as the macro enabled workbook. After saving as a macro enabled workbook, now you have to go to the VBA editor. You can just left click here and click on view code, or else you can just press Alt F11 to open the VBA editor. And here you have to select module and we'll name it as dashboard. And now we'll just paste the code that Claude given us. So we'll just select everything, Control C and Control V. And now you can just click run here to just create the dashboard, or else you can just go in here and click on insert illustrations shapes. We'll select this square shape, and now we'll just change it to red color with no outline, and in that we'll type in create dashboard. We'll just format the text. We'll right click this box, and here we'll select assign macro, and we'll select our build YouTube analytics dashboard and click on OK. And now when I just click on this create dashboard, automatically the dashboard is created. Now let's go through the dashboard. Here we have two filter slices, one by year and one by month. And here we have 5 KPI cards. One is the total subscribers, total views, watch hours, estimated revenue, and average view duration. We also have our 5 charts. One is the monthly view trends, traffic source analytics, device type performance, subscriber growth analysis, and revenue by company. Also here, if I just go to the pivot sheet, all the pivot tables are created that are relevant to this dashboard, and this is our final outcome of the dashboard. So to recap the workflow, first what we have done is we have cleaned up our Excel data headers, which I have done beforehand, and we have written a detailed prompt, and we have given it to Claude. We have pasted the generated VBA into Excel's Visual Basic Editor, and we have created a button and assigned the macro to let AI build our dashboard. This is where AI in Excel really shines, automating tasks, building dashboards, and removing the head burden of building the same things over and over. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Drop a comment below letting me know what workflow you want me to automate next. You can get the prompt, this Excel dashboard, the VBA code, links in the description. Make sure you go and watch it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.